Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use same Telegram account in two devices. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you need to know that if you want to simply go ahead and use a Telegram in two different devices, you simply need to have a Telegram web. So for example, if I go to this devices section, you can see I have my device connected and I can tap on link desktop device. Now I have to go to my desktop and open up your browser of laptop or PC and search in Telegram web and search it up. Then go ahead, tap on it, and then the QR will appear. Now you will simply have to scan it. Once you have scanned the QR code from your mobile phone on your PC, you are good to go. You will be able to simply connect your Telegram to your PC, which is the other device, and that's how you can connect two devices or multiple devices on for your Telegram account like that. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.